a video for a 1964 Evinrude short shaft, 33 horsepower, electric start, outboard. Starts right up, runs great. You see the water pump is working right here. Nice running outboard, short shaft. Brand new water pump installed. Really nice outboard. It's got the electric start, also has a full start as well. Outboard 1964. This is the Evinrude Ski Twin electric start. You see the electric start right in there. Great running outboard. Starts right up, runs good. Up right there. You can adjust the throttle right here. It's got a lot of power. A lot of power. Great running outboard. Thanks for viewing.